20th century has witnessed very historic moments, and one of these was in 1956, the beginning of a phenomenon, the beginning of an industrial revolution. The birth of Hero. Hero was born in the brains of four ambitious and visionary young men called Munjal brothers, with an idea of making an indigenous bicycle brand on which the whole nation could trust. With their commitment and devotion to their dream, they didn't just create a super brand, but made it an icon in itself. Hero is world's largest manufacturer of bicycles since 1987 and has recorded its name in the Guinness Book of World Records for selling more than 5 million bicycles annually. After establishing itself as the leader in domestic market, Hero took another leap by venturing into exports in 1970s. The vision behind this idea was to take pride in making an Indian brand global and to gain worldwide prominence by making its quality products available to the larger international markets. With its world-class standards of excellence and professionalism, in no time, Hero emerged as a trusted name in the global market. Today, its products are exported to over 85 countries and are a preferred choice in the very advanced European countries like Germany, UK, France, Italy, Portugal, etc. In the African continent, Hero is the #1 bicycle brand with over 70% market share. Its major markets include Mozambique, Burkina Faso, Nigeria, Congo, Uganda, Angola, and South Africa. Hero's global customer list includes global retail chains like Tesco, Argos, Decathlon. Through its quality products, Hero also enjoys a 30% market share in the German kids bicycle market. Over the years, Hero has become the pioneer in building India's bicycle industry. The vision that was born from ideological intent has been solidly backed by the company's technologically driven focus. Our manufacturing unit has got the most modern and technologically advanced machines and equipment. And right from robotic welding to electroplating and world's best German paint technology, every part of the process is state of the art. We constantly keep ourselves aligned with the best global manufacturing practices, and all our process and factories are QMS compliant. Hero has always employed and adapted state-of-the-art cutting-edge technology, and constant upgradation has always been one of our key strengths. A state-of-the-art research and development division quenches our thirst for innovation, and its excellence is clearly visible in our widest variety of the bicycles for our customers. Our committed quality control division ensures that when you are buying a Hero, you are buying the best in the world. As a socially environmentally aware corporate citizen, Hero is the only SMETA audited bicycle factory in India. With OSHA's compliance, we ensure that all of our processes are environment friendly. Hero realizes that its real strength lies in its strong dealer and distributor network that have carried the flame of Hero brand from the company to the consumers. With its remarkable growth and increasing number of satisfied customers, the legend of this iconic bicycle continues across the globe. moving ahead every day, every moment, proving itself to be a real hero.